back to another video. Today, here with my boy Nate. His channel link down in the description below. You're filming today, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Nate's filming today. Check out his videos. He's got some bangers, so I'm gonna leave his link down below. Today, me and Nate are in a familiar body of water for me, but not Nate. This is actually the spot. Actually, if we go all the way back there, this is actually a spot where I caught my 6.9 personal best bass in the fall time. So you already know I'm gonna set up a tip up down there. We're on this bigger, this is like a bigger private lake, and we know some people, so don't worry, we're here legally. I fish this place all the time. We know this is where you usually drag the boat through the woods. You guys saw I was walking through there. Usually in the spring and summer, that's where we got the boat coming in. Much the plan for today is I got 4 tip ups. Nate has a tip up at iFish Pro. That was called iFish Pro. We got dead sticks, we got a bunch of live shiners, and we're pretty much just gonna spread out. We're gonna set all those up and see if we can't catch some big fish. I know there's big bass in here. I've caught them. I've heard stories about even bigger bass in here. So our main goal today is hopefully to just catch, hopefully a fish, but a big bass. So I'm gonna put you guys down. We're gonna start drilling some holes around this money point that we've caught a lot of fish off in the summertime, and we're just gonna set up tip ups. We're gonna have a great day. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we are gonna have a great day. Let's do it, Nate. Woo! Here's the bait of choice right there, if you can see that. Nice little minnow. We're gonna hook him right behind the head. Down to the bottom and probably bring him up a foot. Already on the bottom. It's in 6. I think that's pretty good, right? You think? Yeah. All right, perfect. Put it above the bottom, and that's where we're gonna start. Pop some more holes. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. Let me get it. Tip up, one off. My tip up. I knew it. Is it spinning? Oh, it's the pole.
I heard it go off. I turned around and I saw it. I was trying to get your attention, but
It's kind of hard when I'm.
Yeah, let's see. Pull on it, figure it out.
I'm out of breath, bro. Hold on. I think I got nothing. I think this reel's messed up though. Anyway, I might be pulling something. No, I don't think I am. My gears are really messed up. Oh, I do something on.
Oh, there's something.
Yeah, there's something.
Oh, sweet.
We're hooked up. Woo, my breath.
Let's go, dude.
Nate's trying to get my attention. I'm drilling holes. Nate's waving his arms. I'm like, what's he doing?
Oh yeah, that's a fish.
This hole's really messed up, or this reel.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice largie.
That's a nice largie.
Oh, woo. Yeah. That's a beauty, man. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's the first fish of the day. Huge shout out. Oh, my GoPro's really high, but huge shout out for Nate. He's yelling my name because my tip up went off. You know, across the lake. I'm popping holes all the way down there. But we're gonna picture with her, so we're gonna keep her in the water real quick. All right, there she is. She's blind in that eye. You know, which is pretty funky, but still a beautiful fish to start the day. Nothing beats it. I know she was pretty much ready to go, and she slides right off, and there she goes. Woo, woo, baby, let's go. Thanks, buddy. Gyps. Oh, dude, I just saw that shoot up on the GoPro. This is literally 30 seconds after we released that fish.
Okay, yeah, he's taking it.
This is in like a minute after we released that fish.
Oh yeah, not even.
Yeah, not even. Saw it all on the GoPro. Got him?
Got him.
Nice. That's awesome. That's exciting, dude.
Oh,
We were just standing there.
Fish. He's not fighting very hard. Might be a small one.
Just take your time. Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Right at the
Oh my gosh. I just got hit in the head with your hook. And this one's bigger too. That's a beauty, man. There you go.
Oh,
take
yeah.
that. Dude, that fish, guys, I don't know if you saw that. The fish, it came off. You try to pull out of the hole, it came off. The weight of the hook hit me in the face. I reached my hand down the whole hole and grabbed him. And now my arm is soaked, but it's so worth it, man.
Yeah,
what a
man,
beauty,
that's
dude.
awesome.
That's awesome. It's a nice winter fish. And that was such a save. My arm is soaked. That's a beauty, man.
That's sweet.
That's definitely a toad. She's ready to go.
Not so graceful.
Boom, there it is, baby. That's awesome. A minute after we released Snake's fish.
Immediately after.
Got him.
Oh my.
This is 3 fish in like
This is ridiculous.
5-6 minutes. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, he got off. And the hook stuck on the ice.
Oh. No way.
Ah. Dude.
Let me set these back up.
Guys, I think I forced it too hard. That's what I did. I forced him up, and he got off. Literally, that rod went off. Boom, fish. A minute later, Nate's thing went off. Boom, fish. A minute later, this thing goes off. And you know, it felt good. Honestly, I think I rushed it. I rushed it, and that's what you don't want to do. I was caught up in the excitement, you know, caught up in what was going on, and I missed him because of that, and then the hook got stuck in the ice, so. You just set it up? Oh my gosh. Nice! No way! This is instant action, bro. This is crazy. You just set it back up. Here, be careful with this one. Last time I pressured the other one and I lost him, so.
Oh. What is this?
I'm gonna take his time.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a nice one. Woo!
Oh,
we're on him. We're on him.
We are on
This is instant. This is instant, man. This point, as I knew it was money. Instant action. This is all in the past 5-6 minutes.
Yeah.
No joke. It's a beauty, man.
Let's let this fish go.
Woo. We better get back down there ASAP, dude.
Man.
We gotta get some lines in the water.
Oh man, there's gotta be more down there.
Yeah, there's plenty of fish. Plenty of fish down below, guys. I'm gonna set up those two right now. I got this down literally 6 seconds ago.
Set this up. Let's go, man.
Let's not mess this one up. Doesn't feel the biggest, but still.
Oh yeah, that's actually
Still a decent
another
one.
Nice one. I gotta watch mine. You never know.
Literally dropped this down. Not even kidding, guys. 10 seconds ago.
Dude, what are we on?
Told you this point was money.
No kidding, man.
He's not ready though, which worries me. Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
All you.
That's a beauty right there, boys. Woohoo! Top of the mouth.
Let's go, man.
Comes right out. Check that out. Look, guys, not even
Right
kidding.
out.
I dropped this down, walked literally 8 steps that way. Boom, goes up. This place is loaded right now. We are killing it. This is such a nice fish. That's the fish. Gonna keep this quick because this is instantaneous. Literally dropped that fish. Literally dropped that bait down. 10 seconds, it went off. This is absurd. We actually might have to leave and go to the bait store, get more bait, just because we're running out. I mean,
yeah,
it's a good thing. It's also a bad thing. But I'm not gonna waste any more time. I literally just set that up. I didn't even have time to set up that one yet, just because this has been so crazy. Everything that's going on right now. So I'm gonna keep my GoPro on actually now, just in case we catch one going off, and I'm gonna drop right back down there. Oh, yours is going off, dude. Yours is going off. Hey, your thing's going off. It just went off. Get it.
Hold on, there's gotta be one on there.
Yeah, guys, a cop just pulled up.
A cop literally just pulled up.
Oh, he might be. I think he's leaving. He's leaving, I think.
Oh, he's leaving?
Unless he's pulling over right there. I think he just did a U-turn. But no, Nate's pull just started ripping. You gonna check?
Yeah. There's gotta be one on here.
Let's jack him. Got him?
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, there's a nice one on here.
Yeah, it's weird. The cop just did a U-turn.
We were hoping to get the cop on some fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a giant.
Good one?
That's a giant.
Here, be careful with him. That's a beauty, bro. That's a nice one. That's nice, dude. Look at the shiners right in his mouth.
Right on the dead stick.
Wow.
Yeah.
We've been shut down for probably like 30 minutes, which for us is like, oh geez. We've been killing it out here. But yeah, no, a cop pulled in. He actually pulled into this. We thought he was gonna talk to us. He just pulled out and left. We have rights to be here, so I wasn't worried about it. Yeah. Give him a little treat. Yeah. He'll like that.
And yeah. Say goodbye to this big boy.
Boom.
Not
nice,
so
baby.
But awesome.
Nice. We're back out. Hopefully it picks up again. Hopefully it's hot now. I got a GoPro on this tip up right here. I just want that thing to fly up. I think I might drop a hole right here and dead stick next to Nate. Literally, like, we've been here for like a long, kind of a while. I've yet to actually put a pole in the water myself and sit there and jig with it, just because things have been going off. I've been trying to set tip ups up, and I mean, we're all set up now. I think I'll drill a hole next to Nate, and I'll dead stick a shiner as well, and hopefully I can get one when jigging like that. That'd be awesome. Yeah. All right, guys, we got a tip up that just went up all the way down here.
Hopefully not. Oh yeah, he's on. Look at the rod. Look at the rod.
He's on.
He's on.
The rod just bent, dude.
Did you see that? Holy cow.
Well, the spot's all right.
Feel nice?
It's too early to tell me. I mean, I don't know anymore.
Oh, yeah. It's a good one.
Yeah, baby. That's what's up, man. Beauty, man. Woo!
Oh,
Look at that.
man.
Right down his throat.
There we go.
Show it to yours. Check that out.
Yeah.
Guzzled that one. Okay, guys, there she is. It was worth the hike. Probably my biggest one of the day, right? You'd think? One more look. She's nice.
They're all pretty similar.
Yeah, they are pretty similar. And she slides right down, baby. Woo!
Oh.
All right. We were dead there for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, you think?
Yeah, I'd say
You think 30 minutes? And Nate's like, is that flag up? Because we walked over here, literally walked back 2 minutes later. Sure enough, flag goes up. But honestly, I might just drop the same shiner down. He's still there. I don't know if it's alive, but oh, actually, it's still swimming. I'm using this again, dude. We're pretty low on bait, guys. As you can tell, we've gone through quite a lot of bait today. So I'll just drop this to the bottom, set it back up. Then we gotta make the journey all the way back. Still beauty, baby. Woo! Come on, got one. I literally ran over here to pick this up, and then I was like, wait a second, the contraption's not working. And I was like, wait a second, and then the pole bent. This could be the last fish of the day right here. I'm not sure how long he's been on though. I think he actually might have just hooked himself. Nice largie. Nice largie. Nice largie. Yeah, I think I might have just hooked this guy just now. Oh yeah. Whew. That's a beauty right there, boys. Check that one out. That's a nice one. That's a beauty. I was coming over to pack it up, and I was like, wait a second, the contraption slipped up. He choked this one. Oh gosh. Fish kind of choked it a little bit, kind of in the gut. So, oh, he's ready to go though. One more look at this bad boy before I put him back. I was holding her in the water just because I don't want him out of the water too long. But there she goes. She swims right off. Boom! Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's exciting. Very exciting. That's the end of the day right there. You know, me and Nate came out here, had a great day. As you guys can tell, it's kind of hectic. We really had nothing going on for a little bit. But then in a matter of 20 to 25 minutes, we had just, you know, tip up and pull and everything was just popping off. We caught about 4 fish in that sequence, lost 1. And then it kind of spread out through the rest of the day. A fish here, a fish there. And then I caught that last fish right down there as I was packing up, so that was a nice little bonus. You know, we had a great day in the water. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to smack a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I do want to thank you guys so much for helping me hit 5K subscribers. It's crazy to think that 5,000 people subscribe to this channel. That's awesome. Thank you so much for all your guys' support. More bangers to come this winter, but until then, thank you for watching today's video. Stay warm and stay safe, because, you know, I heard some cracks out here, so stay safe. And we will catch you guys next time. Peace.